You made my hat band?
Yeah.
You made my
Right.
dustpan?
3, 2, 1.
Tokyo, ono whai ona mātou poto whātasi, ono o le whātau nuhina o lo whonutanga o lau ekalesia. Whaktai le ola, male mālosi, ai maise o le whaunga I whawhia kainga, o ma whai hei ona whātau nuhina, tiute, na peiwa, I tonu o nene whonutanga. Whaktai foi mo tukulanga tala mo uma, o le whātau waina o lo mātou kala awina. Whakangalo ni o mātou sise, ma o mātou whaalea tonu, awina mai na mga huka ia, I taito o lua ina I mātou, I ene yaso, ona lo suaka Yesu. Amen.
This is my desire to honor you, Lord, with all my heart, I worship you. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore is in you. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake. Lord, have your way in me. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake. Lord, have your way in me. This is my desire to honor you, Lord, with all my heart, I worship you. All I have within me, I give you praise. All that I adore is in you. Oh, sing it. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake. Lord, have your way in me. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake. Lord, have your way in me.
Today's reading comes from the Gospel of John, chapter 17, verse 20 to 26. I pray not only for them, but also for those who believe in me because of their message. I pray that they may all be one. Father, may they be in us, just as you are in me, and I am in you. May they be one, so that the world will believe that you sent me. I gave them the same glory you gave me, so that they may be one, just as you and I are one. I and them, and you so that they may completely so they may be completely one, in order that the world may know that you sent me, and that you love them as you loved me. Father, you have given them to me, and I want them to be with me where I am, so that they may see my glory, the glory you gave me, for you loved me before the world was made. Righteous Father, the world does not know you, but I know you, and these know that you sent me. I made you known to them, and I will continue to do so, in order that the love you have for me may be in them, and so that I also may be in them. Ele fa pisola tsalo mo lato nei. Ai lato foi fa tutu ia seu, ono la lato. Ina ia tasi lato uma. Pa pei o oi tsama, o tsunu ia seu. O au foi o tsunu ia seu oi. Ia tasi lato i tsunu ia te tsa ua. Ina ia tali tsunu le lalangi, o e au ina mai ia. O le mamam foi mai ia seu. Wa ofua ia te lato. Ina ia tasi oi lato, pa pei oi tsa o tasi. Oi, o tsonu ia te lato, oi foi o tsonu ia te au. Ina ia pa ato ina lato ia tasi. Ina ia iwai foi ele lalu. Na ia wina mai au. Ma ia lofa mai ia te lato. Pa pei ona ia lofa lato. Wa e foi na mai a te au. Ina ia lato whaatasi mahu ina mea o te iei. Ina ia lato wa aero mamahu, na e foi na mai a te au. O waho e alo wha mai a te au, au lei whaawai ina lalangi. It's ma amo tonu. E lei lo oe e le lalangi. Awa, wa oi lo oe. Oi lofo i lato, nei wa e au ina mai au. Wa o whai lo atu whai lo sofa i a te lato. Le au whai lo atu wai whoi. Ina ia i tonu i a te lato le alofa. Wa e alofa mai a ia te au. Wa o whoi i tonu i a te lato. E whaamuni a mai le atu le whai sa bina o maki whai.
The way in which we've been talking about the Pacifica theology in the theological college that we're from is a lot in this setting. And here before us we have different maps and different things from different Pacific Island cultures. And a lot of time we talk, we're speaking the gospel. We talk to each other about the gospel, and this is what this space is, as we sit in the front and to discuss what things mean for us, or what the gospel means for us today. I have three people here at three different stages of their journey with God and in this church. We have Tim on this side, doing a diploma of ministry, and is also in the beginning stages of a period of discernment. Lofa on this side has completed theological college and is awaiting ordination and has 2 or 3 more months left before she will be ordained. And then you have me in the middle, who only last week became or was admitted into the Uniting Church as a minister of the Uniting Church. I'm no longer a whewhi au o te whakasa. 3-year processes, all these different processes that the Uniting Church, some say impose on you, and some say form you. And it's been an interesting journey for all three of us. As Lofa, a candidate, also the head student at our college. Tim in the beginning stages, who's just returned from Thailand in his period of discernment. And me as only being a minister in the Uniting Church for 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm going to pass on to Wolfa to talk about her Tongan heritage and the way in which she sees things from the weaving and some of her experiences before me and Tim have a discussion about this period of descent.
Thousands of years by those of the Darabatical and Darug Nation people. You and I are both second people, and so therefore we must all say hello to the people of this land. I come from a family and generations of people who are weavers. I grew up in Tonga, seeing women come over my house to weave with my mom. And every day they come with their stories. At the same time they came with their gifts and talents to weave different mats for different occasions of the land and of the people to serve the royals. They were also weaving mats for their families and for all the things that we use mats for. So each one of them would come and they would sit on the mats and bring all their stories. Some of them are really, really good weavers, and some are a little bit slower than others. What I find really, really interesting about the weaving that they used to do was no one is to go faster than the other. If one is the best weaver, they'll weave with the other one and they'll go on the same pace so that they finish together. All weavings are done communally. They all start from one end. I used to think that some people go from a different direction, but actually they all have to sit from one end and go together and move together slowly for that process to finish. What we have here in Tonga, we call it the unu. So these are the strands that you bring in. Every weaver knows that then when they're about to come to the end of their unu, they have to replace it with a new one. So when I look at mats, I think of it as the church. Church coming together to weave mats for today and tomorrow and the different generations there is. See, this mat that I have here, you can have a look at it later. My mum has left it for a while, it's unfinished. But once you leave it for too long, it gets really messy, and you see all the strands, they all tie up with each other. So I think that when you look at the mission of the church, it's all there to be completed. But if you leave it for too long, it gets messy and tangled up, and then you need a lot more weavers to come and untangle it, and just to continue with the process. Now I want to take you back to thinking about, sure, we have this mat, and we start weaving it. But don't just think of coming to the mat as something that's already sitting there, like with that unu and all of that sitting there. I want to take you back to where it all starts, because that's where you have the women and the men working together for that process to begin. The women and the men go out to, we call it the bush, where the trees are. Cutting them down is a lot of work. And then they'll bring it back, and then they'll boil a lo'akau in a big pot. And there's a long process of doing all of that. we looking at? I'm sitting here with all these different traditions of a map from Kiribati, Fiji, Samoa, and Tonga. I mean, in the time of our ancestors, we would never see these things sitting together. And I wonder about if we're part of this unfinished map today, I wonder what that sort of tradition will look like for our young people of tomorrow. It's a part of breaking barriers, traditions coming together, and it's never a fun tradition. Tongans always think we have it best. And I can say that. But how do we come with our traditions and put it alongside other people's traditions and say, this is part of the body of Christ. This is who we are. We can make that knuckle for the generations of tomorrow. So I leave you with that.
Tim, you decided that you wanted to do your diploma of ministry. As Lofa was talking about the process of making mats, and they have to go to the bush and cut down trees. And so in the United Church process, we've just cut you down from the bush. We're carrying you to boil you in the pot. To soften you and to make you white. Turn you white as snow. So tell us, Tim, about your experience and about where you feel God is leading you.
At the moment, so I'm doing a diploma ministry. It's just a gap year program at it's called Trinity College, Queensland, back up in Queensland. And I think, part of me going to take part of that was, for spiritual growth and wanting to grow my faith and understanding of who God is in order to understand who I am myself in Christ. So I think that was an awesome opportunity. But I guess the main reason for going into this was really just to discern my calling and the calling that God has placed in my life. And sort of, thinking leading into ministry, but I'm not quite sure at the moment. We're still discerning, but yeah.
Tim, in my experience going through these formations as ministers here and lay leaders here will tell you, it's a very difficult process and it's very challenging every different step of the way. And it's been a long time since we were at your stage. Can you tell us what some of the challenges that you face in everyday life and in your service at the moment to God?
Definitely one of the challenges myself, just studying ministry at the college, just hearing from the lecturers like these guys, they've been lecturing and talking about and teaching about the Bible for years now, but the fact that we never stop learning, I think that was just a humble reminder for myself, and also a challenging thing, as much as we can know the Bible, that there's always a spot for us to learn, whether we're 50 or 80 or wherever we may be, that, God continues to use us and teach us in many ways. So I think that's definitely been the biggest challenge for me.
You went to Thailand recently, you've come back. Can you tell us an experience of Thailand that helped you to see God in a different way? Did that experience change you, and have you seen God from, has there been a change in the way in which you understand your life and your calling?
Oh, definitely. I was just coming back from Thailand. I guess one of the biggest experiences for me was working with the kids. And, we read in the Bible that God teaches us to be childlike, and I guess over there, these kids, they're refugee kids that we work with. So I guess for them, coming from sort of nothing and into a place where they provide the things that they need, and I guess their dependence on God is literally everything. So without God, these kids, they're nothing. So for them, I guess that was also a reminder for myself and challenging me and my faith. How can I see God not just in the church and in the things we do in the church, but in all aspects of my life and literally in everything that we do. So I guess that was something that really opened my eyes. And being in Samoa as well, I come from Samoan background. I've been to Samoa a few times. I've definitely seen that. It's inspired me in my own faith. I'm seeing the kids and stuff, but these kids here are refugees. They've suffered from persecution for their beliefs in Jesus, and I guess just to see where they are right now, especially in Thailand and the circumstances that they're going through, really encouraging for myself and just learning, learning from the kids as well. So I guess it's a humbling for me.
A final question it's not a question, but what I want to do is seek your advice, because we're coming to the time that we need our meeting to begin. But would you give us some advice from the early stages that you're at in your ministry? What would your advice be to our national conference, the leaders of the national conference? What would your advice be to us?
Or just touching off and reading that sort of like God's put on my heart throughout this whole conference is, Romans 12:12, it talks about us to be joyful, in the hope, and like in the hope of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, first of all. That's the first thing we do. And then second of that, be patient in affliction. And I know we're just going through some things and we're starting to speak out and raise issues that, that haven't been raised before, or starting to speak on this. But I guess the final point and the most important one for me is to continue to be faithful in prayer. The word teaches us, do not be anxious in anything, but in everything. With prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, that we just continue to present our requests to God. So everything we give it all to God, and that part of this group as being Samoans is not just identifying ourselves as Samoans, but also as the body of Christ, and how we're able just to find ourselves first in Christ, that we may understand how we are. So I guess
Before we end this part in the song, I just want to say thank you to Lofa for reminding us that we are all woven together, not just as Samoans and intergenerationally within our own community, but woven together. The stories, the gifts, the talents that each and everyone has needs to be woven into this story. And that it is difficult work. The mat is tangled. But it's up to us to untangle it and to weave it together so that our story may be told, a story that it's not just an individual story, but a communal story. Thank you, Lofa. May God continue to bless you. I want you to remember that in heaven, God sits on Tongan mats, but speaks Samoan with you. Tim, thank you very much for being our blessing in your final stage, in your beginning stages. Don't lose faith. You will be taken through so many difficult hurdles, and in the end, persevere. Thank you for your advice. I told Tim yesterday when he was sharing with me, I was so amazed that young people have such amazing understanding of the Bible and understanding of spiritual guidance at this time. Keep it up. The world is difficult, but continue to move forward. So I just want us to sing a song before our prayers, and then we'll come to an end. I'm going to ask you if you can recall that message
Lord, we pray for the sound congregation of the United Church and one above all cultures. God, we pray for and nurture us in the ways of your kingdom.
But God has His journey with us as we begin the work for today. May we be inspired, may we be challenged, and may we move forward together as one body of Christ. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the